CVEDIA-RT brings native AI analytics to Milestone XProtect. Download, install, and get started in minutes. Same application, same workflow. Just click the CVEDIA icon right inside the Smart Client. One toggle enables analytics. Another enables enhanced search for forensic investigation. From this foundation, individual analytics can be configured, starting with crowding for queue management. Define an area, set occupancy thresholds, and generate alerts the moment conditions are met. And the alert appears instantly within Milestone's Alarm Manager. Fallen person detection is configured in seconds. Define the area of interest, and CVEDIA-RT monitors in real time, triggering an alert the moment a person goes down. Armed person detection follows the same workflow. Define the area of interest, and monitoring begins immediately. The moment a weapon is detected, CVEDIA-RT generates an alert. When incidents occur, operators don't leave the Smart Client. Investigation happens within the same workflow. Search archived video by vehicle type, color, license plate, and dozens of additional attributes. Looking for a white van? Find it, and the exact moment it appears, in seconds. The same search capabilities apply to people. Filter by gender, age, clothing color, and visible attributes. When an incident occurs, operators can quickly narrow the search to the relevant subject and jump directly to the moment that matters, reducing hours of investigation to seconds. And the detail goes deeper. A covered face, a cigarette, a phone in hand. Every attribute captured, turning even the smallest detail into something searchable. Rain on the lens, darkness, vehicles small and far in the distance. CVEDIA-RT still detects what matters, regardless of the conditions. A tarp moving in the wind, the kind of scene that commonly generates false alarms. CVEDIA-RT knows the difference. And a pigeon crossing the frame stays exactly what it is, background noise. No false alarm, no alert fatigue. CVEDIA-RT scales on standard NVIDIA GPUs, from compact edge deployments to enterprise. No expensive hardware. CVEDIA-RT is built on 3 tightly integrated components: the XProtect plugin, connector service, and CVEDIA-RT server. Together, they enable seamless integration with Milestone XProtect, while the CVEDIA-RT server provides AI inference across all connected camera streams on GPU-enabled hardware. CVEDIA-RT also supports an all-in-one deployment, where all 3 components run on the single machine for a simple and efficient installation. CVEDIA-RT from Milestone XProtect. Intelligent video made simple.